Hey everyone, today we're going to make s'more brownies. I have 4 cups of large marshmallows. Then you're going to need 1 batch of brownies. If you have a homemade mix, or a homemade recipe, that's fine. Or if you just want to use a box mix, you can also do that. Then I have 6 tablespoons of butter, 1.5 cups of graham crackers that are crushed, and then 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then if your brownie mix is for an 8x8, use an 8x8 pan, or if it's for a 9x13, then you'll just want to use a 9x9 instead. And then make sure you preheat your oven to 325 degrees. The first thing we're going to do is we're just going to take our graham crackers, and then I've melted the butter, so we're just going to add that in. And then the sugar, and then just combine this all together. Now that that's mixed together, all we're going to do is I've got my pan prepped, and I just put tin foil in it, and then you want to grease that. And then just spread this out, and then you want to press it down firmly across the entire bottom. And then all you're going to do is you're going to put it in your oven and bake it for 20 minutes at 325 degrees. Alright, as you can see, my graham crackers are starting to get a little bit golden brown. And then all we're going to do is we're going to take our brownie batter, pour it on top, and then all you're going to do is you're going to bake this for about 40 to 45 minutes. Just make sure that it's done and a toothpick will come out clean. Once you take your brownie out and it's cooked all the way through, then you want to actually take your oven and you want to put it on broil. And if your oven has a low and a high, you're going to want to put it on the low. And then all you're going to do is you're going to just take your marshmallows and you're going to cover the entire top of your brownie. And then once you've got this done, you want your rack in the oven to be about 6 inches below the broiler. And then you're just going to cook it for about 2 minutes or so. You want all of your marshmallows to be a nice golden brown. Now that the marshmallows are a nice golden brown, all you're going to do is let it cool on a rack for probably about 20 minutes or so. And then you'll gently remove the brownies if you just pull up on your tin foil. And then you'll separate the brownies from the tin foil very gently, and then your brownies will be ready to serve. So, hope you enjoy!